Good morning. We are into October now. Much of the garden is empty. The flowers are still beautiful. And today's sweet potato day. So we had a frost. It went down to 29. I usually wait until there's a frost before I dig up the sweet potatoes. For some reason, the frost just gets that sugar in those potatoes. And I want to bring them in because my schedule is pretty full and this is the day. So you see that the leaves have died back, and I have dug a little bit around one hill to show you what's in there. So what I do is I cut the vines off, and here are the potatoes just sitting there waiting to harvest. So it's gotten me out here today, so I'm putting the phone down and I'll show you what we get. So here's the harvest from one plant. Some of these potatoes are so big that even as deep as I dug, I still cut them. Beautiful, beautiful harvest. Look at the size of these potatoes. They're absolutely lovely. And this is just one plant. And I have a ways to go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. And I look forward to your comments. And if there's anything you would like to see, please leave a comment below.